The 2023 Alcohol Consumption Report by the World Health Organization states that men consume more alcohol than women. Agnes Chirabo, the Executive Director of Food Rights Alliance, says these kind of studies should be taken more seriously.
We are not going to wait for WHO to rank us drunkards. Now you know why we are poor. Now you know why we are sick. But it is also before WHO, we are the country whose produce is being rejected by its neighbors. And yet in its document it writes that we are the food basket. So we are criminals. We are condemned east, west, and center. And we should start taking these reports seriously.
The World Health Organization has ranked this country as #1 in consumption of alcohol in the world. That is not a good thing. So again, PSST and the people in government, I think that this idea that alcohol brings money is not a good idea, because most of our people, and that's the night economy, and I think a calculation was made, the night economy brings in money. But which kind of money? I think it is like stealing from one pocket and putting it in the other. This corruption we are talking about, most of the people who are drinking have stolen that money, and they are drinking it at night, buying, of course, our beers and other alcoholic drinks. I don't think that it makes any economic sense.
A program officer at Siatini, Uganda, Huzeima Sekalema, says the report by World Health Organization highlights the pros and cons of alcohol consumption in the country that should be handled carefully.
I think that has both positive and negative implications to the economy, but also when it comes to health. In terms of trade, that is, we provide the market, but we look also into the quality of the product that is consumed.
The State Minister of Health in charge of primary health care, Margaret Muhanga, says more than 200 diseases and injuries are a result of alcohol consumption.
But it's quite dangerous. It's not a nice thing to be known for, that this is a country which consumes a lot of alcohol. You can drink but very little. You don't have to drink yourself to death. And I also think that because there is no free alcohol. Is there free alcohol? Because I've had a lot of people say, I have nothing to do, then I end up going to the bar. But when you go to the bar, you buy this alcohol. So why don't you use that money to start up a business or to do something profitable? Because you are going to drink every day. That money that you are drinking, where do you get it from? This is what we should actually ask ourselves. Unless every day you have friends that buy for you alcohol, but what I know is that there is no free alcohol anywhere. According to the Ministry of Health, 9.8% of mental health patients suffer from harmful use of alcohol. Globally, about 3 million people die annually due to the harmful use of alcohol. But with the Parliament still drafting a law that intends to regulate alcohol consumption, there is no doubt that alcohol abuse in Uganda is on alarming levels. DianoOlwenyiPeters, UBC News.